The Neewer 18-inch LED ring light. Known for its exceptional value, this ring light has earned its place as one of the most popular models on the market. The Neewer 18-inch ring light sports a sturdy aluminum base, while the ring itself is made of durable plastic. The older version features plastic diffusion plates, while the advanced model has the diffusion built directly onto the ring, giving it a sleeker look. Adjusting to the height is a breeze with the locking ring mechanisms. Despite their size, these lights are surprisingly stable. During our outdoor tests, they remained upright even in strong winds. The superior brightness of the older model was quite noticeable compared to the advanced model. However, inside with natural daylight streaming in, both models provided ample illumination. When used at a short arm's length distance, the older model performed well at only 25 to 30% brightness, while the advanced model needed around 60% brightness. The older model's 3200K diffusion panels were effective for most shots, but the advanced model could better match daylight color temperature, hitting around 3900K. In an outdoor setting, the older model was the clear winner in terms of brightness. With your eyes adjusted to bright sunlight, the light at 100% brightness isn't overpowering and significantly enhances photo quality. Unfortunately, the advanced model didn't make much of an impact when used outdoors. The included 61-inch light stand made from robust aluminum alloy provides excellent support. The soft tube feature enables easy rotation of the light for optimal positioning. The color filters in white and orange are crafted from high transmission plastic material, ensuring stable color temperature. It's important to note that for maximum stability, the center joint of the stand's legs should be elevated 4 to 8 inches, 10 to 20 centimeters from the ground. Raising the legs too high could cause the stand to topple, risking damage to the ring light. The Neewer ring light is ideal for a wide range of professionals and creators, including estheticians, barbers, makeup artists, and those in the tattoo and eyelash extension industries. It's also perfect for YouTubers, TikTok creators, live streamers, and selfie enthusiasts. We give it a resounding thumbs up.